Now, if all of a sudden your vehicle begins to consume an unusual amount of fuel, watch this video carefully and share it with your mechanic if possible. The first place to check if your vehicle starts consuming fuel is your ignition plugs. Bad ignition plugs will increase fuel consumption and they will reduce performance. Your driving habits could increase fuel consumption. Bad ignition coils, fuel injectors, camshaft sensors, oxygen sensor will increase fuel consumption. Dirty engine air filter is one of the most common cause of high fuel consumption. If you run your engine on open loop without thermostat, your vehicle will drink fuel like dry gin to an original Urobo man. If you pick up people's wife or partner by the roadside, are you going my way? Your vehicle will drink fuel. I even pray it stops you far away from the nearest filling station. Sorry, I seem to have lost my composure. Let's continue. Your exhaust is leaking, your vehicle will drink fuel. Issues with your gear will cause your vehicle to drink fuel. Broken air filter manifold or leaking air intake system, your vehicle will drink fuel. To support the current government, no, that one is incorrect. Somebody wrote rubbish. Wrong engine oil, your vehicle will drink fuel. EGR valve leak, your vehicle will drink fuel. Bad airflow meter, your vehicle will drink fuel. Bad clutch plate and disc, your vehicle fuel. If you tune your engine to disturb your neighbors whose only offense is renting a house close to the village James Bond, your vehicle will drink fuel. Finally, most of the causes of high fuel consumption are easily fixed at the mechanic workshop at the same day. So go fix these things.